Hi. Today I will be talking about two apps that I think will be useful for this week's um, project. So the two apps that I chose were Dropbox and VoiceThread. Now I chose these two apps because, well, for one, Dropbox is a great tool used to, store media, documents, pictures, anything really. And it'll help in the long run, especially for this week. If we all have like an image or something, that we really like, and we can just throw it in the folder and then you can share it. You can share the folder, you can share the document, whatever, with whomever you're attached to, and they can get it and open the folder and then just do whatever they need to do with it for the project. So I like that. Um, for VoiceThread, we can actually communicate visually. So it's like Skype almost, but we'll be able to look at the project as we're all talking about it and, work on it as we're like in discussion. So that's like really, really cool. So as you can see here on the screen, these are the features. You can add images and videos from your device, flip through pages, annotate slides while you narrate, and you can share through email. So that's really cool because half the time when you're sharing something through email, it goes through your Google Drive and it takes like forever to upload. So nobody likes that part. So with this feature, this voice thread, you can just send it through your email, get it done, knock it out real quick, and that's the end of your day. So that's really cool. For voice thread, no, I did not download it because you have to pay for it. So yeah. Down here is the pricing. I mean, $2.99 is not bad, for in-app purchasing, but yeah, I didn't buy it. It's really cool though because you can use it for school, and since I'm a substitute teacher, this would be like super great for me. But yeah, no, I don't need it yet because school isn't even in yet down here in Florida, so I'm good. For Dropbox, no, I did not purchase it. I didn't buy the upgrade or anything. I'm using the free version because honestly, I don't really have a lot to do and I don't have a lot of storage stuff that I need stored. Whatever I need stored, I just like leave it on my computer. So I'm good. I don't really need to buy anything. But if I want to upgrade on Dropbox, I can either go Pro, which is $8 and $25 a month, and so the storage is like a terabyte. All these really great Microsoft features, the 365 integration there. The unlimited file recovery and all that good stuff, all of that. Or I could do the business and I can actually try it for free. Hmm. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm fine. I'm good. So I don't need it. It's like unnecessary. That's an extra $12.50 a month that I could pocket or use to go out to lunch. So I don't really need that. And then there's the enterprise as well, but they don't really tell you how much that is. You have to talk to them about that. But yeah, I'm good. For the voice thread, we had to look at the pricings, but I didn't really go over them. We have $15 a month or just $79 a year. Now, if I were to do something like that, I would probably just buy the yearly package because I mean, $15 a month is something I'd probably forget about. So if you just do that $180 for the year straight, you don't have to think about it until next year. So I'd probably go with that one. Um, I like this one right here, the K-12 single educator license, because I'm just the elementary school teacher looking for no, I'm just playing. But I'm just a substitute teacher, so this will allow me to have my students have their own access if they want to do that. But we're not doing that, so that's another reason why I'm not purchasing it because I don't really need it. Um, how can I leverage this app for the week 3 storytelling? Well, for this particular app, it would be perfect if we all could get it because then we could all just have our face-to-face discussions so that we're able to stay on the same page and get the work done and see while we're discussing the project exactly what the person is looking at Hopefully they have something put together so we can see their point of view, see what they're working on, and then be able to jump into the conversation and add our 2 cents. So that this would be really great for that. It would really help out. For Dropbox, like I said earlier, we can just throw our stuff in the Dropbox and share it and whatever. So that would be perfect as well. Instead of just using your email, because email is a tricky thing sometimes. What features would you recommend developers include in the next release? For Dropbox, I think they covered everything really. So I don't really have any recommendations for that. So kudos, Dropbox people. So yay, yay, you. For the voice thread people, make it free. That's all I got to say for the cheap people out there like me. Just make it free, and you'd have me on board. But because if it's $2.99, you can't even play with it. You can't even test it out. At least do a free trial, so we can see what it's like, and then you can get us hooked to it, and then we have no choice but to pay the $2.99 after like 7 days or something like that. Duh. That's what I say for the voice thread people. That I would like that a lot. Do I currently use anything? No, for voice thread, no. I haven't really seen anything like it except for Skype. But even for Skype, you're just like talking on the phone. You're not really doing anything else with that. You're just talking on the phone. So I would prefer VoiceThread over Skype, even though Skype is free. So yeah, for Dropbox, I use my computer storage system, but that's about it. So I prefer my computer storage system because honestly, I don't really use my Dropbox like ever. So if I use it, it's not for much. It's for like small stuff. So yeah, no, I'll just stick to my computer system until I need to clear some space and to get it going faster. But that's about it. So in a nutshell, that is my uh, video thingy here. So it's been a pleasure. Nights.